In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Beetle and have him move left and right using the arrow key, the left and the arrow key. Now, we currently have him so that when the background switches to forest, he shows up and then he is facing the right direction. Now, if he's facing the right direction and you press the right key, he should move to the right. You click on the left key, he should switch his costume to the left and move to the left. Now, in this game, he won't be able to go up and down, so his Y position, which is negative 140 here, should be fixed, whereas his X will change. So make sure you are on the Beetle sprite, and let's start coding him. And what we want to do here as we're coding is that we will be using, let me see, went back to our sources first. We're going to add on to this, we can throw in a forever because we want him to be able to move really fast forever. Forever when under, is it sensing? Forever if. We're going to use if, two if, one for the left and one for the right. Now, if the right key is pressed, that'll be under sensing. Under key press, one will be for the right key, right arrow, I mean, and the other one will be for the left arrow. Going to the right arrow, when we press on the right arrow, we want him to face first of all. So under looks, you go to switch costume to right, and you want him to move, which is going to be under motion. And depending on how much you want to move, I think a good 5-step should be enough. And again, once when you play this game, you're gonna get a feeling of if it's enough or if it's not. You can always go back and changes. So I'm gonna start off with a 5. Now I'm gonna have to do the opposite for the left arrow. On the left arrow, I want him to switch. I can go back here and grab all of this, or I can just be lazy and just right click on this and duplicate this and just drag the whole entire thing down. Whichever way you do it, it's the same thing. I'm going to switch this to the left. And of course, when moving left, you are changing the x-axis negative 5 steps. So make sure you put a negative in front of that. Now, okay, let's test it out. Click on the green flag to play. You're going to have to go through this process again. And I'll make sure I have to press 2 so that it goes to the forest. And there it is. Right, left, right, left. Very simple. Okay, if I press the up arrow, he won't move. There it is. Goes to the left and goes to the right. Okay, and that's the end of the video.